Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's Tom over at Gas. Today I'm doing something a little bit different. As I'm on vacation, we're actually in Orlando. So while I'm here, I thought it would be a good opportunity to see something that I've always wanted to see, and that is a NASCAR race. So I'm heading off to the Daytona Coca-Cola or Coke Zero 400. We did go last night. It was scheduled for last night, but it just non-stop rain, and in the end it got cancelled. So they've rescheduled it for 10 AM. So I'm going to be heading back, and I'll take you guys for the ride. Got to Daytona, just over an hour on an Uber from where I'm stopping. Yeah, this place is absolutely massive. When you see it on the TV, you just don't really realise how big the track is and the grandstand. Yeah, we'll head on in and then I'll show you where we're sitting. So this is our seats. We're on level 3, pretty much on the start-finish line. Great seats. Ollie couldn't make it today. We got the kids with us. Most days we've got something planned. And because the race got postponed last night, obviously he's just trying to sort out the kids, so she stayed behind. She's took her to a water park today. I've come over this morning to watch the race. Weather looks good so far. I think it talks of storms around lunchtime. Since we've been here, we found that it normally rains, stormy weather from 1, 2 o'clock in the afternoon and then pretty much all night so far, but I think it's storm season. But yeah, looking forward to it. Cars look amazing. When they was in the garages last night warming up, you don't realise how loud they actually are. Really good. Yeah, can't wait to see it. Coke Zero Sugar 400. I'll get some footage for you all. Yeah, really looking forward to it.
wheelie. The 3 of Austin Dillon squeezes through. He is in front.
There were, I'll tell you how it started, but it's like 4 or 5 things happening all at once. When we pick it up, you've got 2 or 3 cars sideways from multiple types of contact.
I was with you when we started there. I saw 2 cars sideways. I think we're going to try it a little bit earlier.
Keep coming.
Camera's pretty clear. Let's watch this right here. The 17 of Buescher trying to go in the middle there on the 31, on the 16. Oh, the 99 just loses it. Denny Rex.
Well, the 31 just lost it too by himself in that top lane.
I wonder if it was rain.
Well, yeah, I mean, both leaders are in clean air. They both catch their car. That tells me that there's something down there that's reducing grip.
Oh, my gosh.
Yeah, guys, there were a lot of drivers saying, hey, it's raining. Why are we racing right now? And that could have been the result of what happened there.
Watch this 31, right? Watch him. He's a clear indicator. Inside lane, very top. All right, as they roll through here. See right there? He's sideways.
Yeah.
11 sideways.
The track is wet. Parker.
And Jeff, exactly. His spotter was telling him it's raining, and then after that all went down, Justin Haley came on the radio and said it was raining. So, of course, there was no grip down there.
And that was my experience of Daytona. So I've been back to work now a couple of weeks, just getting around to finishing off the video. But, yeah, what an experience. The rain did come, which caused obviously all the cars to kind of crash, as you can see in the last clip. It did get going again about 3.5 hours later. I didn't hang around till that. I mean, we was on vacation, we had the kids, things to do, so I got back to the kids. But yeah, I think there's about 21 laps maybe left. But what an experience. Highly recommend going to see a NASCAR race. Just the noise of the cars and the atmosphere is it's just incredible, really. But yeah, if I ever go to America again, hopefully it will tie in with the dates for a NASCAR race, and yeah, definitely go back. I would have liked to go around do the pit walk and everything, but the rain kind of stopped all that from happening. But really good atmosphere, really enjoyed it. So yeah, definitely recommend it. But I hope you've liked the video, something a little bit different. Like I say, back to work now, been back to work for a couple of weeks, absolutely manic. So, but we've got some more videos coming up. Next couple of weeks, we'll be uploading some more videos. So don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next one.